So let me just go around over here onto the warehouse and then import out a model. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and let's say, for example, say something like chair. And I have these chair models right here that I can go ahead and bring in. So let's just go ahead right here and let's say, for example, bring in this particular chair right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and then download that out right there. And then what happens is that the chair is there. So you can see that this is what you have. As you can see, just like this, you got the chair right here. So you can go ahead and place it wherever you want. So now over here, you can see that you see the details of this particular chair. So you see the model, but you don't actually see like how much edges there are and so forth. So if you want to go ahead and see those hidden geometries of any particular model inside of SketchUp, then you can go around over here onto the view menu and enable hidden geometry. Now you can actually see how the model is actually divided. You can see the number of faces around over here, just like this. As you can see, all the small details right here, you'll be able to see for that particular model as you zoom in, as you go around and then rotate around, as you can see, just like this. So you can see how detailed the model are, just like that. You want to go ahead and hide these, then you can simply go around over here onto the view menu and then hide the geometry, and then you can see that it simply gets hidden once more. You can just see the edges but not the details right here. And that is how you can go ahead and then enable the hidden geometry inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.